Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop here today. I'm going to be showing you how to get your Saber in and out of the color change selection settings, as well as how to select the color. So let's get right into it. So to change the color of your Saber, let's start by activating the blade and pointing your blade towards the ground. You're then going to want to hold on the button and kind of rotate your wrists in that kind of motion, so just like this, while holding the button, so just like this.
Color change activated.
Then you'll hear color change activated, and now any movement that you make will change the color of the blade. To get the most accurate blade selection, you can just kind of leave it horizontal, and it's easy to put the blade right on your hand and kind of just rotate it like that. Maybe put the end of it on a table just so it stays stable. So once you find the color that you like, so let's go right there.
Color selected.
Go ahead and hold on the power button, and you'll hear color selected, and now your color is locked in. And this color will be saved, so no matter if you cycle through the sound fonts and you come back to the sound font, it will still be the color that you selected. Thanks for watching our video, everyone. In the next one, I'll be showing you guys how to get your Saber in and out of the volume control settings. And make sure you go check our other videos out.